Minnie was a cute little kitten. She never listened to her mother. One evening, as the sun was setting, her mother said, "Dear, don't go into the jungle at night. It is dangerous." But Minnie laughed and said, "I'm brave, Mom. Nothing will happen to me." As soon as her mother went into the kitchen, Minnie quietly sneaked out. The jungle was dark, and strange sounds filled the air. But she kept walking without fear. Suddenly, she realized she was lost. At that moment, she saw two glowing eyes in the bushes. It was a clever fox slowly coming toward her. Minnie remembered her mother's warning and started to shiver. Scared, she cried loudly, "Meow, meow, help!" Suddenly, there was a rustling sound in the grass, and Minnie's mother jumped in front of the fox. She glared at the fox and growled, "Leave my child alone!" The fox got scared and ran away. Minnie hugged her mother and cried, "Mom, I made a mistake. From now on, I will always listen to you." Her mother smiled and said, "We always give advice for your safety, my dear."